Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand the brain behind generative AI. When people say the brain behind generative AI, they usually mean the core technology and process that make it work, like the things that allow AI to think, learn, and create. You can think of like a human brain. We use our memory, experiences, and thinking ability to produce ideas. The generative AI does something similar but with computers. Let's see the brain behind generative AI key parts. The first key part, which is nothing but data. Just like human learn from experiences, generative AI learns from huge amounts of data like text, images, audio, etc. Example, reading millions of books, websites, and documents, which is nothing but we get from memory and experiences. Next part is the neural networks. A neural networks is the thinking pathways, a complex system of math-based neurons inspired by the human brain structure, just like how we have a neurons in our brain. So these connections help the AI detect patterns and relationships. Next part is the training. The training is nothing but which is the learning process. The AI is trained by feeding it data repeatedly and adjusting its internal pathways until it becomes good at predicting or generating new content. Example, practice makes perfect, like learning to draw by practicing daily. The next part is the prompt. The prompt is nothing but the questions or instruction. When the user gives the AI a prompt, a question, request, or in the form of instruction. Example, when a user asks to write a poem about the moon or generate an image of a futuristic city, then AI generates it based on the instruction or a prompt. Next, the final is the output. Output, the AI creates the output based on the prompt which has been given by the user. The AI uses its learned patterns to generate the brand new text, images, code, music, etc. It's not just copying, it's creating something new based on what it has learned. So from the all the parts, we have seen what is the data. The AI's memory learns from huge amounts of text, images, and audio. Next, we have neural networks, the thinking system inspired by the human brain. The third is the learning process where AI improves by practice. It's nothing but the training. The fourth is the question or instructions we give in the form of prompt. Finally, we are seeing the output, the new text, image, or music it creates as an output. Like a human brain, it learn, think, and respond. In a simple analogy, imagine you trained a super talented artist who has studied every book, painting, and song in the world. You give them an idea in the form of prompt and they create something original from all the knowledge they have observed. That's exactly what happens inside generative AI. So that's how the brain behind the generative AI works. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next one. Thank you.